Welcome to Real Life Wednesday, and today's topic is how to eat low carb when you're on a budget. You don't need a six-figure salary or a freezer full of Wagyu beef to eat low carb. So let's bust that myth that keto has to be expensive. Here's the truth. You can eat very well and stay on track even on a budget. You just need to prioritize the right foods and ignore the flashy marketing. Here are some of my budget-friendly proteins: ground beef, chicken thighs, canned tuna or salmon. Eggs are still the best bargain for the amount of nutrients in it. I love pulled pork, and I use whole chickens all the time. Whatever's left over, then I make a big pot of soup and make egg drop soup. The whole chicken is cheaper than the skinless, boneless chicken breast. And fats, you've got butter, beef tallow, and even don't forget to use your bacon grease. And skip the $12 jars of MCT enhanced unicorn oil or whatever they say it is. You don't need it. As far as veggies, frozen veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, spinach are just as good as fresh. Shop seasonal or check out your farmer's market close to closing times, and they'll often discount whatever's left there. And then skip the traps. And this is what I found to be very expensive: keto snack bars, almond flour, fake breads. They'll drain your wallet and keep your cravings alive. They're very expensive. So here's today's nugget. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. And after bariatric surgery, I had come a long way. I thought I had to eat perfectly clean, though, to succeed. But real life said otherwise. I'm on a trip cross country, so I'm picking the best choices I can make right now. I learned how to make ground beef and eggs work, and I'm eating a lot of that on this trip. You can grab a rotisserie chicken at the store, or how to pass on. And then remember to pass on the fancy keto foods. I still reversed insulin resistance, dropped the weight, and healed my hunger. You don't need fancy. You need fat, protein, and a commitment and consistency. If you want help building a low-carb grocery list that won't break the bank, head to my Keto Basics playlist, where I'll walk you through exactly what to buy, how to do it, and what to skip. And drop a comment below. What's your favorite budget low-carb go-to? I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor. Your daily spoonful of real-life wisdom served fresh every day. I'll see you in the next video.